You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Rogue. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, turbocharged engine, sun, moonroof, satellite radio. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.